You've been earning Chase Ultimate Rewards points. Now, how do you get the most value from them? The redemption options vary wildly in value. Let's break them down. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your Chase account and go to the Ultimate Rewards portal. Your main options are travel, booking through Chase, cashback, as a statement credit or deposit, gift cards, or pay yourself back, erasing specific purchases at a boosted rate. The highest value typically comes from transferring points to airline and hotel partners like United or Hyatt. This requires a premium card like the Sapphire Preferred or Reserve. My crucial pro tip: never redeem for less than 1 cent per point. Redeeming for cashback or gift cards often gives you 1 cent per point. If you have a Sapphire Reserve, travel redemptions are worth 1.5 cents. But transferring to partners can get you 2 cents or more per point, especially for luxury hotel stays. Always compare. Turn your points into memorable experiences, not just small discounts. What's the best redemption you've ever gotten from Chase points? For more guides on maximizing rewards, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.